Okay, let me start. Question number 21 is a stiff bar that moves around a fixed point is. Now, what is a stiff bar? Stiff bar is an instrument which we used in the gyms. You all see these like dumbbells. This is a stiff bar. Now, Natik, can you tell me this is the example of what simple machine? Is it a lever? It is a wedge? It is a wheel and axle or an inclined plane?
Ma'am, lever.
Very good. It is having load, effort, and we have to put the, basically we are putting the effort in it. And this road is called fulcrum. So its answer is a lever. Okay, understand this thing? So stiff bar is the example of a lever. There is a load, effort, and fulcrum are there in a stiff bar. So that is the example of a lever. Understood? Now, second question, Yogeshwar. Just understand this question. The three types of pulley system are, these are the pulley systems, not types of pulley. These are the systems. First is fixed pulley, second is movable. Now, the first type is fixed, second is movable. The third type is that type of pulley in which fixed and movable both are present. Means there is a one fixed pulley in the fixed point and one is the movable pulley.
Back on top.
Block and
Ma'am, block and tackle.
very good. Its answer is D. This pulley, the pulley which is having fixed and movable both pulleys, that is called a block and tackle system. Okay, in this both types of pulley are there, fixed and movable both. So that's why it is called block and tackle pulley. So mark its answer is D. Everyone. Done? Okay. Let us see the next question. Question number 23. Havish, you will answer. An inclined plane that wraps around a shaft. Now let us see, this is a shaft. Okay.
Yes,
and inclined plane is like that. It is wrapped. So can you tell me which type of
Ma'am, screw.
machine is
Ma'am,
it?
screw.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
screw.
It is a screw. Very good.
Screw, ma'am.
So its answer is screw. Its answer is C. Mark it and draw this diagram also. An inclined plane that wraps around a shaft, that is called a screw. Its answer is C. Let us see the next question. It has one pulley and part of the load is carried by the pulley, making the work easier. You have to choose that pulley which makes our work most easier. Means which makes our work too easy. Now, just forget about this two pulleys because it is not a type of pulley. Now, a single fixed pulley or a movable pulley or none of these. Just tell me, Sanjay, can you tell me which pulley is more smoother and which is most making our efforts less?
Ma'am, single movable pulley.
Very good. The single movable pulley is the best type of pulley. Okay, so its answer is C. 24C is the answer. Next. Abhay, answer this question. A seesaw is an example of what simple machine? You have seen in the park gardens, there is a lever. This is a lever. And we have load, effort, and fulcrum in it. So can you tell me it is the example of what simple machine?
Ma'am, screw.
Beta, use your mind. Is it a screw? Is it join the two objects? It means you are cheating from the back. Because its answer is given screw, but its answer is not screw. Who can tell me? Rohit, can you tell me this is the example of which simple
Yes,
machine?
ma'am. Ma'am, it's an example of first class lever.
Very good. It is the example of first class lever. So it is the example of lever. There is a load, effort, fulcrum in it. So this is the example of lever. Okay. The next question is Varun. A simple machine helps to do what? A force,
Ma'am, work.
simple machine, work, or none of these?
Ma'am, work.
Very good. It makes our work easier. So simple machine helps to do our work. Everyone switch on your video, Sanjay, Kritik, quickly. Otherwise, I will not ask you any question. Okay, understand its answer is C. Okay, let us see the next question. Question number 27. Tejas. Its answer is given wrong in the back. So don't see from the back. Let us see what is a device that changes the direction or the amount of force needed to do work? Acceleration, friction, machine, or none of these? Answer this question. Which device?
Ma'am, machine.
Very good. Its answer is machine. Machine makes your work easier and changes the direction of force or amount of energy you need. So its answer is C, machine. Understand? Now let us see the next question. Its answer is C. Yes, Amandeep, tell me. A doorknob is an example of what simple machine? We have doorknob in our doors to open and close our door, to lock or unlock our door. So can you tell me which simple machine is in the doorknob? A force, curve, wheel and axle, or a screw?
Ma'am, doorknob is a simple machine. It is a wheel and axle.
Very good. It is having wheel and axle. We move the wheel and wheel moves the force to the axle which locks and unlocks our door. Very good, Amandeep. Excellent. Its answer is C. Okay, next question. Ibrahim. A ramp is an example of what simple machine? A ramp.
Ma'am, veg.
That is used to cutting the things. Kanishk, can you tell me, beta, this is a ramp and ramp is the example of what simple machine? Inclined plane, wedge, pulley or screw? Devansh Singh Kaurav, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, ma'am, veg.
बेटा आप लोग पीछे से चीटिंग करते हैं इसका मतलब you don't know the logic. It is too easy. Ruchi, tell me the answer. A ramp is the example of, we have ramp in the hospitals. It is the example of, very good. It is the example of inclined plane. Its answer is A, inclined plane. Okay. Okay, let us see the next question. Yes, Devang. A nail can be hammered into a piece of wood. Listen to me very carefully. We have to hammer a nail into the wood piece, but a bolt cannot. We can't hammer the bolt, means screw into the wood. What simple machine can you find at the point of the nail? How a nail hammered into a wood piece? Tell me. Its point. This point is called. ये इसका पॉइंट कैसा है देवांग? कृतिक राज, टेल मी द आंसर.
Ma'am, veg.
Very good. It is the example of, sorry, it is the type of
Veg.
veg. Why it is
Veg.
veg?
Ma'am, because it contains of two inclined planes and a blunt part on top.
And
Ma'am, and the
sharp
whole
end.
nail is called a screw.
Very good. So this is, the whole nail is called the screw. Very good. But its front end is the example of wedge because it has to, its face shape is like it is made up of joining of two inclined plane, and it has to cut the wood and then it enter into the wood. So its answer is D, a wedge. Understand? Okay, let us see the next question. Question number 31. What are the parts of a lever? Lakshan. Cable and grooved wheel, circular object and shaft, a stiff bar and a fulcrum, or none of the above?
Ma'am, option C.
Very good. So in this we have the stiff bar is a load, this is a fulcrum, and we are applying the effort on it. So a stiff bar and a fulcrum is the example of a lever. Okay, so this is the example of lever. Understood this question? Now, let us see the question number 32. Sandhya, you will answer this question. What is a machine?
Ma'am, machine makes our work easier.
Very good. Something that makes our work easier, attracts money, eat bugs and rats, or all of this. So its answer is something that makes our work easier. That is the best explanation of a machine. Machine is an object which makes our work easier. So its answer is A.
पूरा वीडियो देखने के लिए और लेटेस्ट एग्जाम अपडेट्स जानने के लिए डाउनलोड करें कैरियर डिफेंस स्कूल का एंड्रॉयड ऐप।